Hey, it's Emma from Run Free Ranch, and we have changed our cat situation. So I'm going to be showing you how to take care of the cats. So now we have our cats in what used to be the milking hut. So we now call it the cat hut. And in here we have what's called a gamma container that just has a screw-on lid. And then you will give a quarter cup.
Get him out of there.
About a quarter cup of food to each cat.
Sit. Okay.
Right, can't forget to give some to Buttons. Oh, here's her container. And then put the scoop away, screw on the lid, pull this gate up, lock it, lock this one, and then unplug the lights just so it doesn't keep them up all night. And that is it for the cats.